swear it was some kind of witchcraft.
None of us saw.
He don't look happy.
I need to use the security codes to open this door.
Let me out of here!
They're holding Sionis in here somewhere.
What do you say, Joe? Should we let him out?
Let me think. He did give us that raise he promised us. Oh, wait. No, he never did. That's right. How could I have forgotten?
When I get out of here, I'm gonna slit my own head. I think he hung him like that because he's trying to scare us. How'd he get him way up there? Hey! See him? Heads up! What's wrong with this stupid gun? Oh, found him! So keep an eye on him. Got the gym room. Who's gonna watch my back, huh? Don't worry, Paisan. I'm sure the boss will fix you up. There! He's right there! That's some disappearing act. Just don't lose it. Hey! I got him! Don't do... He's up there! Stay still. So keep an eye on him. No one's getting by me.
Could somebody help me with this guy? At least I'm still standing. Though I'm not doing much better than you are. No, he's over here, fellas! What's that? He's here! I got...
Waiting for something. Get me out of this thing. Where's the Joker? Go to hell.
Wrong answer. By my count, there are still 9 more ribs I can break.
Do you think that'll make me talk? After what he's put me through, the torture, turned my men on me, stole from me, murdered my woman, he's my kill, not yours!
I can control your pacemaker remotely. You want to see what 250 beats per minute feels like?
You wouldn't.
Copperhead.
Tell him and I'll pay you whatever you want. Make him suffer it out.
An empty promise from a fallen king. I know about the Joker.
Couple of freaks. You two deserve each other.
What did you do to me?
I killed you. And in a few more minutes, your body will realize it. That's it. Use your strength. With every effort, you hasten your end.
Must scan the room for Copperhead's poison. Female perspiration. Copperhead came this way. All I need is 1 drop of poison. There. It's a powerful neurotoxin. Alfred, uploading analysis of a neurotoxin. I need you to synthesize an antidote.
Your vitals are off the charts. What happened? Never mind. Just get up to ground level so I can send in an airdrop. And after this, you're coming back here so I can have a look at you.
What would your father say if he could see you now, throwing away your family's hard-earned fortune on these frivolous nightly escapades? And for what? You're not this city's savior. You're a Wayne, and a spoiled, wasteful disappointment of a Wayne at that. Have you forgotten what your family name stands for? You disappoint me. You disappoint. You could have saved me if you'd only come sooner. What were you doing? You're no hero. A real hero would have saved me.
You let me die. How many more must perish before you realize? You're a savior. You're a curse upon this city. A plague on all of Gotham. Leave us alone! We were better off without you. I'd still be alive without you. Please, you have to save me. Please. You. What's wrong with you? You can save me. Why? Why did you stop me? Why didn't you save me? Is that the best you can do? My venom needs more time. The body cannot survive without the brain. You are trying so hard! Trouble breathing, Batman?
see it. Signal which I can follow with my scanner. He'll lead me right to the Joker. But I need to get out of the steel mill first.
Now just leave me here!
Freaking back's killing me.
So now what?
We wait for the guys to show.
Problems! I got a better idea.
I should destroy the canister before moving on. I need to destroy that canister.
Sir?
I'm uploading a chemical sample. I need you to run a scan of the city. Look for high concentrations of the compound. Find the source, and I can shut it down.
Certainly. I'll alert you as soon as I've found something.
I'm not picking up electrocutioner's signal yet. I'll need to get to higher ground. The central pillar on Pioneer Bridge should do.
Sorry to intrude, sir, but I'm receiving reports about a disturbance nearby. I'm sending the coordinates to your map. You may wish to investigate.
This is no negotiating. Either they surrender